Hi friends, this is Prem Kumar and you are watching Prem Kumar Vagchala's channel. Today I am going to open Philips branded trimmer. Here is the package. I have ordered it from the Myntra.com. Okay, let's see the box opening. So the initial package of this Philips BT3211/15 model trimmer is given by the Myntra.com is like this. Look at this. They have sent it in a big box, big package. Now I am going to open it. Inside there is a carton box. Actually this carton box is packed, but tape is not well packed. Let's see inside there is package or not. After seeing this, I am shocked because it's looking like there is nothing inside of it, but there is one more box. It's very weight. These are weights, and final pack is looking like this. See, series 3000 they have mentioned. Let's see what is inside. Once again I am telling, I have been ordered Philips branded model BT3211/5. Seal is really awesome seal. Its price is 1648 at the time of I am ordering it. Look at this. It's looking nice. Whatever the brand I have been ordered, there is no mention in this main box, but in the package they have mentioned here. Look at that, BT3211/15. Okay, let's see the components. So these are the things came from the box. One main unit. Look at this. And charging cable and adapter. Cable is not separated. Cable is attached like all the trimmers get. And one easy carrying pouch with ziplock they have been provided. It's very nice. And brush for cleaning the trimmer. This trimmer is coming with 3 years of warranty. Look at this. Unlike 1 year extra warranty also they have been mentioned. So a total of 3 years you can get. User manual is there. And some guidelines. All this matter related paperwork is there with different type of languages. So I am coming to the features of this. It will give you 6 minutes of battery life. So you can use trimmer for 60 minutes as they mentioned. See the cord, and it has stainless steel blades, self-sharpening steel blades, and it has a settings of 20 settings almost within the range of 0.5 millimeters to 10 millimeters. Each setting may have difference of 0.05 millimeter. Look at this. A total of 10 millimeters of settings are there. Look at this, it's moving. I am removing the cord removed like this, and there is a paper for usage. Shelf sharpening blades are looking like this. Philips branding is there. One more blade is there. Okay. This is the card. Well, I have checked the product and I want to share my initial impressions using this picture. Okay, they are saying that it will come 60 minutes of usage after fully charged. Yes, it's coming. I have been checked it and it's taking just 90 minutes, actually lesser than that. It is fully charging. That's really amazing thing. And it has 20 settings from ranging 0.5 mm to 10 millimeters of cut you can do, and also there is no skin cuts. I have been checked it by touching my lips after removing the card, but nothing will happen to wrong like skin cuts, no damage to my lips, so you can use it, no problem. And it have been comes with 3 years of warranty, that is 2 years of branded warranty and 1 year additional warranty by using a card provided in the box. By signing into philips.com you need to do that, and they are saying 6x long lasting will come. That means almost all 18 years it will come. Yes, definitely I am also hoping that, because the product is very solid. And there is a light indicator that comes with the 2 lights, that is red and green. If there is no battery power, then it will blink with red light, and if it is charging it will be blink with green light over here Philips branded side. You can see that when it is fully charged, green light will be there without blinking, and there is only one button. You can use that for powering on and power off. So that's all it for now. Hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do subscribe and share it with your friends.